Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get the iPhone ringtone on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s. So the first thing that we need to do is open the Play Store, and then in the Play Store we want to search for iPhone ringtone, and then we can choose, for instance, this app over here, and then we want to install it. After we install it, we can open it, and then after that we should be able to see different iPhone ringtones. Of course, we can just consent to those things. And let's say I'm gonna choose iPhone 14 ringtones. And well, let's choose, for instance, not the message, but let's try to listen to, let's say this one, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, this one sounds good. So now in order to set it as ringtone, we can select it. Over here on the right side, we have the arrow, so let's tap on it. And we have two options. We can either download the ringtone or set as a ringtone. Now, I'm gonna just set it as a ringtone. And then we have four options. We can set it as a color ringtone, notification, message, and alarm ringtone. I'm gonna choose color ringtone. We need to allow modifying system settings for the app, so let's do that. And then let's go back. And we might need to consent one more time. And just to make sure, we're gonna tap one more time, and at the bottom we should see ringtone set successfully. If we now go to the settings and we go to sound and vibration, then we should be able to find that the phone ringtone for SIM1 has been changed, and you should find, let's say, those numbers as I have in this example. Now, if this didn't change your ringtone, this is probably because you use SIM2 instead, or use the second slot. So we need to adjust the ringtone for the second SIM card, and we can actually do that by pressing the Add Ringtone option. And now we need to tap on these three lines over here in the top left corner, and then you might need to choose audio, and then you might need to also tap on unknown folder, and then music. And over here you should be able to find those ringtones that you just used. They are downloading onto your smartphone, so you still have them saved. You don't have to download anything else, as this is how they look like. So you can tap this one, and now if we select these numbers once again, as you can hear, we have the iPhone ringtone. So let's select it and tap OK. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.